Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna and today I have a HomeSense Winners haul to share with you all. I got some amazing new items. It's been a little while since I've done one of these hauls, but I wanted to share with you guys what I got. I got some stuff for the bedroom, for the kitchen, for some organizing, just a few great little items. And so, yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to start off with this beautiful marble tray I got. It's nice and heavy. It's got two silver handles here and it was $19.99. I just love this piece. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's got a very nice weight to it, and for the price you really just can't beat it. I picked up these stackable trays and it comes 4 in a pack, and you can obviously stack them, or you can stack them side by, or not stack them, but line them up side by side. They're great for organizing, for small spaces, drawers, things like that. So those were $9.99. I picked up this other beautiful wood tray. It's got these silver little feet on it, and the name says BKP on it, and this was $16.99, and I just love it. It's so pretty. I don't know exactly what I'm going to use it for, but I thought about maybe putting a candle there, or just something really pretty, simple. I picked up this full queen like blanket, and it's like that Sherpa material. It's starting to come out, some of the fall stuff, and I wanted to pick up before it got, you can't find it sometimes. If you don't grab it when it's there, it's gone. So I wanted to make sure I grabbed one this year, and I wanted this color. So this was $39.99, and it is the Aspen Home brand. Very nice quality, and it's also for full to queen size. They do have king as well, and I believe the king was $49.99 and twin was $29.99. So about $10 difference in between the sizes. But that will keep you nice and toasty. I picked up these honeycomb set of 4 mini pie dishes. I just thought they were beautiful and nice, and I needed some, and they were only $9.99. I've been wanting to do a little bit of baking and stuff, and I thought you could really do quite a bit with these little dishes, but they look like they're about that height, that round. Very nice, simple, white with a little bit of a design on them. And yeah, it comes 4 in a pack, and I don't know if I mentioned it, but they were $9.99. I picked up these little almost like mini cake metal tin things, and these were $7.99. Let's see, $7.99. And again, for the oven, if you wanted just to make little mini cakes for yourself, so we don't overindulge. We know how that can be, at least I do. So yeah, it comes in a pack of 4, and yeah, they're a great little thing. They're just great. I've never seen them before, so go. I also picked up these nice brown wooden bowls. They were $12.99 a piece. I picked up 2 of them, and I figured these would be great for like little salad bowls, like if you're wanting to just set up a little salad for yourself or for a couple people. I thought they were just nice size, and I love the wood bowls. I've been wanting to get just a little bamboo cutlery drawer thing, and I was looking over at IKEA, but they didn't have any. They were sold out, but I did manage to find one at Winners, and they were $14.99. They also had one that was $12.99, but it was just like these were a little bit longer, and then it was just one of these versus how this one has the 2. The other one just had like 4 slots, and one longer piece, and that was $12.99, and these ones were $14.99. So yeah, great little find if you guys are looking for something like that. I picked up this, just a little decor thing. This was $12.99. I just like the brass, and it was just nice. I was just gonna put it on a shelf, but I thought that was really pretty, and that was $12.99. I picked up this new bed sheet set, and this was the queen size as well, and it's the Well Dressed Home brand. I've never tried that brand, so hopefully the sheets are nice. And this was $29.99, and it's just like a light taupey beige color, and it's got, looks like a little bit of olive green patterned circles on it. Just a few more items, guys. I picked up another little one of these little wood boards. They're just little flat boards. I like to just put a little faux plant on it with a little something on there, and it just looks cute on the table. So this was only $7.99, and it's the Italian brand here. And yeah, I really liked this. So they have quite a few different sizes if you want like a bigger one, smaller versions of it, medium-sized versions of it, and they range anywhere from $6.99 up to 20 bucks. These are all Canadian prices as well, guys. And last but not least, I found this beautiful little jewelry stand. It has a little bird on it, and it's got like the brass color toned with the wood base, and it's made in India, I believe, and it is $14.99. It's got a nice base on it. It's just got these, so you don't have to worry about scratching the bottom. But I just thought that was really pretty to add some of your rings or jewelry, things like that. Okay, guys, that was everything that I had for the Winners HomeSense haul for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Really helps the channel. Also, subscribe down below to see future videos from me. Have yourselves all a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.